Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you another method on how you can have one name on your Facebook account. So I'm going to walk you through step by step so that you can have that one name on your Facebook profile. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. With that being said, let's begin. So guys, I'll first show you the account that you are going to have that one name. So I'll open Facebook and then tap on my profile icon. As you can see, the account currently has two names on it, but at the end of this video, the account will have only one name on this Facebook profile. So in my Facebook, now the first step you need to do, you need to go ahead and open your Play Store application. Now here in the search bar, just search for Urban VPN. So guys, you need to install this VPN on your device. I've already done that. Now let's go ahead and open it. So guys, after you have opened the VPN, just tap on locations, tap on that options at the bottom. Now guys, you need to select Indonesia and allow notifications. Now wait for it to connect. After you've been connected, now minimize the VPN. Now let's go ahead and open the Facebook Lite once more. Now tap on those three lines on top right corner. Tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then tap on personal and account information. Tap on that option. Now tap on name. So you can remove the last name and edit the first name to your choice. Then tap on review change. So you need to submit your password and then tap on save changes. Let's go back to confirm. So tap on your profile icon. As you can see, we have one name on our Facebook account. So that's all it takes for you to have one name on your Facebook profile. So that is for me today. So if you find value in today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.